So the answer is going to be saved in the description field, which is this one. And the prompt that I'm going to send to Google Gemini is give me a description of the expense or give me a description of the receipt. And I send the image field, right? I can click on this and see the variables in this table. And you guys can see that I have the image field here. So all I have to do is click on this and I'm going to send the image. Okay. There are
if you're doing this for another process, maybe you want to uh, use Vision for other kind of document or anything like this, you can customize the prompt there in order to have a better result. For in this example, Fernando is just showing the description part, and that's why he has two automations, one for description, one for amount, just to be really specific and make sure that it will get the correct value instead of mixing up everything. And also the image field, it's not the file field, because the file field allows you to add too much stuff. It's easier if it's just one image.